You know, we're coming around those trees, which we can obviously see 360 degrees around, but we're making believe like it's cover, like it's a corner that we're coming around, and, you know, trying to practice the tactics with, you know, what we have.
Right, exactly.
And that's about all we can do. Black, 2. Tactical reload. B, shoot B. Not A, but B. Reload. Let's go. Hit the big one. Engage left, to your left, to your left, turn left and engage.
Nice.
It's a cat, leave it alone.
No, shoot it.
He hates cats. A lot. Flows with the silhouette, to your left. After tactical reload.
Nice.
Close. Stop here, engage left. Right, engage right. One more. Good.
Nice.
After action. Tactical reload.
I need to
And holster.
do a little bit better at transitioning between my, to do my after action first and then do my tactical reload, just to make sure
Yep.
I'm not
Absolutely.
taking it out of the fight when there's still something going on.
Absolutely.
It's fun and things you learn out here, huh?
Yeah, and then the other thing that I realized is, like, I'd take my hit and I'd be like, I hit it, and I'd be like, oh crap, I got to do another hit.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess.
And keep that gun out there until you've taken that second hit.
Yeah.
You know, because I see you bringing it in to get a close look. That's fine if you're going to do this.
Yeah.
But if you know that still you need to take a second shot on it, you know.
Well, that's the thing is, like,
shot.
when I bring it in, I'd be like, oh crap, I got to shoot again.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Nice. Let's do it again, Joe.
Yeah.
Go. Hey! Tactical reload after you're done. Come on. White!
Nice.
Small! Get the big one too! Not a threat. Gun! to engage left. Stop, engage right.
Nice.
One more right. All threats neutralized.
Good. I felt a little better than the first run. But that was super fun.
Cool. Did we vary that up enough for you?
Yeah, I felt like, you know, what you're doing really made me feel like I had to really pay attention, you know, to what the commands were, which is pretty pivotal.
Yep.
Because in a real life scenario, things are always going to be different.
Yeah.
You know, so I think you did a really good job as far as, you know, changing things up where I had to really pay attention to the commands.
Excellent. Sounds good. Can I run this thing now, guys?
No.
That's what I figured.
It's funny how much more out of breath you are, though, when you get to the end when you're shooting.
Yes, I noticed that too.
Your, when I'm running along, I'm like good to go, but when I'm shooting, I'm like totally out of breath at the end.
I think for me, it's a lot of breathing control too that I need to work on.
Well, yeah, when you get up there, you kind of have to pause your breathing a little bit on these further targets,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
So, that's good.
Cool. All right. Set back down.